powerful. Show that you don't have to be defeated by anything, that you can have peace of mind, improved health, and a never-ceasing flow of energy. If you attempt each and every day to achieve these things, the results will make themselves obvious to you. While it may sound like a magical notion, it is in you to create your own future. The greatest discovery of my generation is that human beings can alter their lives by altering their attitudes of mind.
Probably. Okay, can you guys hear me now? Hello, hello, hello. Probably. Okay, can you guys hear me now? Yeah, you can hear me now. That's good. So, if you guys are wondering what that was or where that was from, right? Let me share my screen to give you a good idea. Share screen and my monitor. Okay. Because I have two monitors now, so just got to change the settings and stuff. But yeah, that was the persistence speech from the movie The Founder, which was about Ray Kroc and how he built McDonald's empire. He didn't started McDonald's. He was not the starter. He was not the founder, but he created such a big empire. And that's like the speech from the movie. It's on Netflix, I believe. Is very powerful in my opinion. It's a very amazing and heart-touching movie. In the sense, very motivating, I will say. Not heart-touching, but motivating. But we are more motivated towards our hacking journey, and that's what I'm going to start today. As you can see from the title of the what's this called the title of the video, right, or the stream is called Blueprint. Hack into this Windows machine and escalate your privileges to administration level, right? So we are going to do that. Let me just pop out my chat. So, and because I have two screens now, I can easily able to chat with you guys, unlike before. So, well, we got it. I was able to buy and afford one. Thanks to Rabbit. Thanks to everybody here, right? Rabbit, especially Ben Rover, right? He helped me with the subs. So with that being said, let's start our box, and let me open my Oracle virtual box as well. Let's see. Close, close, close. And let me drop this. And so if you guys, anybody wants to follow this with me, they for sure can. Here we go. How are you guys doing though today? How's your day been? Today I finally had a relaxing day. I worked a lot yesterday. So finally had a relaxing day. I went for a walk, nice walk, able to get my mind out from the chaos. Okay. Do you have what it takes to hack into this Windows machine? It might take around 3 to 4 minutes for the machine to boot, which is fine. Lab user NTLM hash decrypted. So we first have to find the NTLM hash of this. Okay, 1 second. Apologies. Apologies. Okay. So we have to find NTLM, so there might be Active Directory stuff ready for us. And today I want to show you another thing. If you guys were there yesterday, right? I was talking about creating a second mind with using Obsidian and like regarding making better notes and stuff. So I'm going to start with this, right? I'm going to show you what exactly certain steps were and how I can do it. 1 second. Yeah, what the person mentioned specifically. One thing was like tag, right? they do this, and like if you see, there are so many of these, right? What I have to do is create another folder which is at the very end called tags. I'm going to clean it up over the weekend, but what this is now in tags, I'm going to create, let's say, Windows. And because of this, I can now put Windows on this one. So this will help me understand, okay, the tag is Windows. Now I can do more, like as I do this, like I can have Active Directory. I can have a particular type of attack, decryption, whatever it is. And then I can mention here which easy rooms, let's say try hack me easy room. So I will go here, try hack me, and then easy. Now I can have that specific one, and this will help, like how Obsidian works. It will be able to create a mind map, a proper, like a map basically, to help me locate. And if I ever go back to Windows, I want to do Windows machine which are easy just to get used to it, or just to taste something, right? Just to get the taste of hacking. I go to Windows and I know, okay, Blueprint is there. So those type of things. So I can practice a specific hacking technique. Sorry, I'm losing my words. Yeah, I don't know. I think I relaxed too much today. Okay, we have our machine open. Now let's do, first we'll go here, then this. So first let's connect to our OpenVPN. I know as soon as Bandit comes in, he will see me not using tmux, so we'll have to use that as well. Okay, cd desktop tmux. Oh, tmux. So I'll do Control B and how do I do this one? I don't remember exactly what was the command for this. Okay, I will try to remember what the command was. I'm just not in the right mindset today, I guess. So we have this machine. Let's try to connect to it. This is the IP address, and tmux Windows, tmux cheat sheet. Tmux new session. Control B and $, delete all the sessions, rename them. Tmux, okay. Preview session. Previous window list. So was it Control B and C? No. B and yo, Panda, what's up? How you doing? Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, I don't know where my brain is today. Should have relaxed more than playing video games, I guess. It happens. It happens. Pane in left. Okay, so this one. If tmux is there, yeah, it's, I need to, I don't know why it's not working. Let me close this session. All good. I'll just do it this way right now. Till Bandit comes into the chat, I think I'm safe. Okay, so we have blueprint. Let me start by going to the Firefox, try to enter this IP and see if I can connect. Till then, also I have like, I'll go nmap. Nmap. Nope, nothing is there for sudo nmap ssv okay, so we'll start our scan for the machine to see what comes up. We will be able to find the lab user, and then we have root.txt. Okay. It'll be nice if I can get to know, like, what are the topics even more in detail. Sorry, just 1 second. Work related messages, important messages keeps coming. I'm an important guy at work, basically. So let's see. 53% done. Okay, we have something coming up at least. So the file or directory not shown. So we might just have the RDP or like just certain ports open, but not HH443. So we can just close this guy. Why this is still at the same place? Okay. Steps. I guess that's the good name for this. Second heading. So steps. Windows machine. Till then, I can look at one quick thing. Ooh. Attach a session, key binding. So we have rename session, detach and next session this. Create a new window, move to the next window, blah, blah, blah. Rename window. Enter copy mode. $sign vertical split. Okay, these are the ones. Yo, Rabbit, what's up? What is up, bro? How's it going? Yeah, we are hacking today. Okay, we found some good stuff. And actually was showing this. I'll show you to because you just joined. I'll show you something very important. So remember, I was talking about a video I saw regarding note taking and creating a second brain, because I talked in the Discord that not everybody is like having good notes is a very hard thing. So what I did, like, one of the things to do is, like, when you type the name of whatever challenge you're doing, right, in project folder, but also use tags. What is this tag? Windows is actually inside a folder called tags. So when I do Windows, when I go to Windows, this takes a little bit time, but these now will be connected when I use OBSDN to like go over and create a mind map for me. So that's one thing we talked about today. And I can just go, because in future, let's say if I want to go look at like, okay, some of the easy Windows machines, or let's say with time, I know there will be, let's say, Active Directory, a specific type of attack. I can just add that tag and that page to it. That will help me practice a particular type of attack. So for your OSCP, like as you are creating your notes and stuff, you are practicing, right? Or any future certificate, you can do that, right? A very good like I personally like this idea a lot, and I think I should do this also. And on the side I have this and I have this. We have it. We have to Notion to. We have it Notion 2 now. Specifically, we can in Notion AI that will go through your notes and help us. I know I tried like looking into Notion. The only thing I have with Notion is that with Notion, it's a lot of like restrictions in certain ways, like blogs and all those stuff. And at least like when I tried, maybe I chose like a wrong version. So it's like more restricted, right? It's like Google Drive, but you have like 15 GB storage. OBSDN is more open. You can do whatever. So many more plugins. So it's way I like that's the flexibility. I will say the openness, whatever I can do with it. I like that. Oh, we have RPC, HTTP 8080. So yeah, it's like try Obesidian once you're done with this. Like once you're done with your OSCP, try Obesidian. And I will try this technique of creating a second brain for a whole month or a two. Once I see a big difference and once I have like a real life what's this called answers, I will 100% would love to share it with everyone. But till then, I have to. You guys have to wait because I want to try it first, then give you guys a proper answer. I think I forgot one of these. SS I gave. I think SV also I gave. I wanted to see the versions and stuff. I think you just have to go. SV I gave open puts remind the version info. Okay, SC. And I will make this like here so you guys can see properly what I'm doing. But till then, what we have is this command, this guy here. I like finally like touching the hacking though. Like, is this an Active Directory box? Yeah, this has NTLM only because this is the easy one, right? So I doubt there will be much of Active Directory and hard stuff. It has NTLM, so touching that, I will say, maybe. You know more than me, so maybe NTLM might not be just user related and decryption of their hashes, but yeah, not proper like full on Active Directory or Kerberos and all those Kubros and stuff. Okay, so we have port 80 and then we have 8080 for Apache HTTPD. So let's look at those. Because my person like me always goes on web first. Okay, here. Sorry, I have to get the IP address. Nope, nothing. Okay, that's fine. Apache, so we have OS Commerce 234 docs. Okay, release notes documentation, and they are using 2.4.23. OpenSSL and all this information is helpful. So I'll do that. Always scan all the ports. In some cases, we might miss some open with dash and is office. Yeah, I never used to mention. I thought like if you don't mention, it will scan all the ports. It doesn't? Wait, I never mentioned like the port numbers. I believe like it does automatically all the ports, right? Web part. But it can stop 1000 by default. Oh, I see. So you know what? I will stop this scan. Really? Top how? Oh, maybe. Yeah. So dash p dash. Okay. Thank you, boss. I thought always it's like does that. So that's not wrong. Thank you so much. That's a very helpful tip. Helpful tip. How's your day though? Like how was your night? You got good sleep and stuff? I like being able to chat and hack together. It's so much nice, right? Change long standard add-ons database schema. PDF. What's this PDF about? Oh, I got the whole database now. I got a whole database. This is very helpful. Oh, I see. You are a proper hacker. It's okay. Like I used to do that too. Like especially on Sundays, I used to sleep during the daytime in sun. Like I used to go on the terrace in India. Like a lot of people don't know, Indian terraces are proper flat, so you can go put like a mattress there and just sleep. It's so nice. Feels so nice. Let's go back to catalog. Do you like to sleep in the sun or you like closed? Oh, welcome to eShop. Welcome guest. Log in yourself here. Samsung Electric, Matrix, blah blah blah, OS Commerce, Docs, documentation, PDF, standards, licenses, change log. Oh yeah, in winter, sleeping in the sun is like a whole therapy session going on right there. It's a therapy session in my opinion. Best thing to do. Like it's just so nice. It's just so nice. I guess it's just you and me who likes to sleep in the sun in cold season. Nobody else is texting. License. What else we have? License standard. So I think this is just these type of information: documentation, database schema, release notes, and stuff. So that's one thing we got to know is an OS Commerce itself 2.3. This is a big one. So I'll take this information with me. So from web we got this information. Now let's look at other ports. What are the other ports left? RPC, RPC. Okay, this is done. I wish there is. I looked at this one. Oh, what did I do? Oh, I don't know. I did some command probably. So here. Copy, paste. Okay, MariaDB. So we have the database schema, we have MariaDB. But what we want actually, like one thing to look at most importantly is that lab user NTLM hash decrypted. So that will be our first one. So let's look towards that. I know what NTLM is related to. NTLM manager is Microsoft Security Protocol used for authentication, integrity, and confidentiality. Is NTLM Active Directory a challenge response authentication protocol? So it's related to Active Directory, which is good. But you like Active Directory a lot. We have OpenSSL 443. This is kind of we also looked at basically. So let's look at Apache, this one. If there is any issues related to this in the exploit DB. HTTPD, denial of service, multiple vulnerabilities, bound checking, privilege escalation, local, okay. Remap boundary bug found by this, okay. This program is for, no. So with the web app one, multiple vulnerabilities title, multiple remote vulnerabilities. Now vendor patch all vulnerabilities and now can if you can see fixed section in other vulnerable codes. There is no point to keep these vulnerabilities private anymore. And the final note for this, okay. Vulnerability upload shell. Remote code execution vulnerability. So we can find this. And what is the operating system though? Oh, they don't care. They just want a PHP. Okay, that's good. Ajax add comment.php. It's very rare we'll have Apache vulnerability. Yeah? Rare but not impossible, you know. Very interesting, right? Object not found. Who is webmaster? Cancel. Let's see. This address goes to, if you see, postmaster localhost. Never mind. Okay, so what about the OS commerce one which we found? This is one thing I wanted to see big time. Okay, OS Commerce 2.3.41. We have remote code execution. This is a working one. So let's try this. If an admin has not, been removed the install directory as advised from the OS Commerce installation, it is possible for an unauthenticated attacker to reinstall the page. The installation of OS Commerce does not check if the page is already installed. It does not attempt to do the authentication. It's possible for an attacker to directly execute install4.php script, which will create the configuration file. Okay. Import request, enter. This is good. Payload is this. Okay. This is the one IG, like I go, or that's the main I go. So this is probably the one you will use, right? Just want to make sure. Yeah. Sorry, mate. You are I'm the worst when it comes to like remembering those type of acronyms and stuff. It's just I'm just bad. I'm the worst one. I remember all the rootkit, RTK, and all those ones, but when it comes to texting, I'm like the gone case in this world. Let's see. Script .py. Okay, and I'll save it in the desktop. And I'll create a new folder. Let's say I will name it as try hack me is also should be there, right? No? Okay, for now I'll just save it here. So this is a Python file. Let's execute this, but we have to make changes. Not localhost, but our IP address. And we have the catalog and all those ones, which is good. All those directories and everything, right? And probably have to give 8080, maybe. Enter the target URL here as well, the URL to install.php. Install.php catalog install, I have to look for install.php. So go back to the parent one, catalog. Install, maybe. Okay, we'll try. The payload will be injected into the configuration file with the code defined. This is where you enter your PHP payload. Okay, so here I will enter my nmap, netcat stuff, and I have certain stuff with it. I believe this should be the one. NC NC, and this is a Windows one. My stream is buffering? Oh. Is anybody else having issues with the stream? Like they're not able to see or anything? Can anybody confirm, please and thank you? Maybe what I can do is, can anybody confirm, say like if this stream is working for them, like there is no issues or stuff? Maybe not. Okay, that's fine. Hopefully it becomes better, Rabbit. Sorry, nobody confirming yet, which is acceptable. Okay, we just want the reverse shell, so we use nc -e bin command.exe because it's on Windows, and our IP address which we need. It's only 40% done. So what I need is ifconfig tunnel 10.13.86.9. Copy selection, this. Here. NC port number, let's say 1234 -e command this is the payload I want. Okay, time to run this guy, but before that I need to use nc, need to set up a listener, nvlp 1234. Okay, started the listener. Python 3. The file name was what was the file name? I forgot. The file name was OS Commerce. Yeah. Exploit could not be executed as planned. Why? Document database payload, this target URL catalog. Install.php is not there. Okay. OS Commerce Online Merchant install dot php. It's there. This file is available. Oh, probably this. They don't want dot 8088 catalog install.php. Okay, so this looks good. Now let's try to execute it. Successfully launch the exploit. One of the following URL to execute your code. Okay, we didn't get back our result. OSCP configure. This one didn't work. Okay, syntax error happened, which is fine. At least like we know we are able to execute and get some information out. Windows. Get a reverse shell. There is no netcat in this. If this is still PHP, can I go with this command? Bin bash. No. Attacker's IP address. Enter the shell reverse or pivot. Command on targets. Rabbit, is it better now? On the system I need cat bind shell or pentest monkey php reverse shell from pentest monkey. Let's see. No, let's go on their website. They might have a one-liner. Cheat sheet here. Python PHP. Okay, good part is they are also using 1 2 3. So the command would for me would be, if I have 10 3 86 10 13 86 and 9. Oh, where's that command? This one. Paste. Let's see if I can get a reverse shell. Now I will change the command to this. Modifying it a bit. Oh, not needed. Here. Yeah. Okay. Hopefully this works. Let's see. If the error comes, it comes. If not, okay. Unexpected 10 13. Let me do a quick change here. Let me convert all these to php-rn, so it will still run as payload, right? I'm back, might be the issue on my side. Oh, okay, nice. I'm happy you're back, bro. So I found a way to run the execute the shell, like execute the code. Right now I'm just trying to get the shell into the backend reverse shell. Okay. Okay. This is how it is. Linux payload for Windows. It's running on PHP, so that's why I'm thinking first, like if I can get at least, because CMD I tried this one actually. Before this I tried this one. cmd.exe didn't work. It was not able to find it for some reason. So maybe I can change here. I'll try it with this once, and then we can try back like this. Okay. Looks correct, I guess. Let's see. Nope, wasn't correct. Got an instant feedback. So okay, successfully ran. So I know I'm effing it up during this time. Here, run this command sock socket open, and the code error is unexpected syntax error. T number in this. And NC is not there. Maybe even if I try cmd.exe the way it was before. CMD should work. Why not get a reversal when you get yeah. So like the way you are saying is you want me to get a bind shell? Like I'm so tired. I need to sleep. But okay, all good. Have to look into this. So what do you mean though? Yeah, and I'm forgetting the terms right now in my brain. Sorry. So here I want cmd.exe interactive. Oh no, this. I have to enter the PHP payload. That's the thing, because it's going to run this hack is for PHP. So fsocket open this socket, execute. Do I even need like this? and in this. So bin bash in this case is just exiting here. Interactive shell and bind shell, they are the same thing, right? Or if you really want to do the way to go to reverse shell and get a PHP Windows exploit. Yeah? What is the PHP version of this? What are the other ways I can go? Let's say if you are looking at this, NetBIOS, MS, RPC and all those, what would be your way to go through it? There is NetBIOS SSN. And actually my scan would be done too. Almost 3 minutes remaining. Okay, great. So like interactive shell. रेयान व्हाट्सअप मैं एक बिगनर हूँ अभी नेटवर्किंग सीख रहा हूँ आगे का रोड का कुछ हेल्प कर दो Sure bro, like what's your question? What do you like me to tell you? And why networking? Question is like why would you like to learn networking? You like it, you're interested, job wise, what's the reason? I might have something. Let me try 1 second. Roadmap for ethical hacking. So networking is a good way to start, but after you're done networking, let's say whatever you are doing, after you've done that for a job in my first year CS, you are in luck because Rabbit actually got his internship too. I think that's what you mean, the internship in the first year. And right now, are you just completed your 12th graduation or what class or what you're doing right now? So, and I have this. A group. NetBIOS SSN. Session service connecting. Okay. My internet ain't good today. I kept getting disconnected. Sorry. All good, bro. All good. All good. Just ended my 12th science, then take drop for JE, then I joined normal CIGB Tech. Okay. Drop for JE. So you are going to like just study JE right now, or you are going to like do networking as well on that? NetBIOS nmap. So we have this sudo nmap. So enum for Linux dash A. J खत्म हो चुका है, networking सीख रहा हूँ. Okay, so if you like going towards the college, going to that, right? In networking, yeah, we use that one. Yeah. The exploit you want to use. Okay, not this net bias. Okay, I thought we can connect to the net bias and see what's there. But Rian, so my advice would be, right, personal advice with networking. Um, I think a lot of people first is look for developer coding. That's one, but also like Rabbit has done it. So Rabbit, like how you got your first one? Like what was your first internship in your first year? And Rian, my honest opinion, right, is look at like labs. There are like I think the name is PF Sense. If you are able to use them to create some home labs, right, using let's say Raspberry Pis or just small computers here and there, which you can buy like second hand from Facebook and other places, use them, create and learn networking through that by doing first, and then try to look for a certification like get Network Plus, not CCNA. I will say start with Network Plus and then go to CCNA. CCNA is more valuable, but Network Plus will help you get that. Through LinkedIn, I got web development internship. I was good with 3D web development back then. Yeah, because you had a web portfolio too, right? You mentioned during that time. So there is something to show to the people. So have a look at this Network Plus certificate, because certificates will help you get internships way faster and way easier than you can imagine, because a lot of these things are like under HR, like what whose resume to select and stuff, they create those. So have a look at this one, right, and have this structured approach going forward. If you get a certificate like this and learn about like network security we do through CTF challenges, do your own projects, and then you can show and talk about them in your internship, easily you pass so many green flags to them. Because I did like some research on national vulnerability database using certain coding like AI things, neural networks. That has was my way of like getting interns, like at least the callbacks from the jobs, right? I used to talk about them, and that's what I talked about a lot during my interviews and stuff, because they are interested in like, okay, what he did, right, with his research. So have something you can show, something concrete. Like don't like give an example here of Rabbit, right? He didn't created a calculator. Majority of the people will create a calculator. They're like, oh, I learned React and created a calculator in it. Nobody cares about that. Oh, I learned JavaScript and created a 3D project of web development which is open to all. I self-hosted it. A whole different game. A whole different game. Right? So have some really good, nice projects, and that will easily get you any internship. Or at least will get you some callbacks for sure. More than anybody else. Always have something to show. That's my opinion. Yes. A one-liner PHP payload. Machine running. To get and this machine ch I've shared, try that. Okay, but give me 1 second. I want to try this bind shell to get a reverse bind shell using okay, let's see what you shared to me. Dude, I need to get like better at these resource, like all the notes taking and stuff. Okay, this is good. End at ch. Let's go. Reverseshell.com. Always to for exploit. I did. Oh, I went to Pentest Monkey. Remote code execution. Okay. Where is his payload? I want to see. Command K. So let's see what is the command. RCE command, remote code execution command. So where is the RCE being called? Okay. Oh, it's just who am I here? But yeah, this is like the exploit, and then reverse shell.com. No. Reverseshells.com. So let's say my IP. I don't remember. This is the IP. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Windows. I want PHP. PHP pentest. Give it your IP, not victim IP. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. I'm just thinking, okay, PHP 1. CMD. That's command PHP. PowerShell. Operating system Windows. Okay. Let's see this one then. Oh, I have to change the IP back. This is my IP. So Ryan, hopefully I was able to answer your question. Like if you want, like best is to get like a good project ready, and then you should be in a very good position. Shall execute. Okay, let's see if this works. Oh, dude, I'm an idiot. Still listening. Let's see what configure said. Security reason. Oh. Unterminated command starting. So system is disabled. So we have to find another way to get in. Use the reverse shell from reverse monkey. It's PHP. You mean like pentest monkey, right? The pentest monkey. But system is like off, so I don't know. This is not working. We have tried this. Because I've tried this. Oh, you want GitHub specifically? Will it make a difference? What's here? I think that was the one, right? I'm just thinking, okay, because last time I'll give you the answer because why we were having like various issues with it. I think that might be I have to look into it a bit more to get an answer. So let's do that. And I used Perplexity to give me an answer. Holy, this is a crazy one. Okay, PHP F attacker IP execute command.exe. Oh, we were like very close. Okay, let's see. Okay, system. No, there has to be. Try PHP's extension and see if the syntax is enables. Maybe you can read the code. PHP's extension like this one. Index.php to index.php's in browser. Oh. Here. I see what you mean now. So use the previous command but with PHP's. I don't think, maybe let's try. Could not execute because like what is happening, reason I will give you why index.php's and stuff. Oh, browser URL. Object not found. It's an easy machine. We must have to run an exploit to get a shell. Yeah. I just say like so the issue, right? Like if we go back, the issue mostly is happening. We were here. And we were very close here specifically. If I give you the truth. Very close here. We had our PHP socket is there. I just have to get cmd.exe probably. Let's try something like this. Okay, what's the error? Oh. K. Maybe I don't. Yeah, I have to probably. No, I have to give it here. Okay, so let's see. CMD, unexpected cmd.exe. Really? cmd.exe is unexpected. Oh, maybe this is where we have this. Bin bash cmd.exe. It's just finding the right way to execute it. Because we are not getting what we wanted here, the reverse shell. Execute command cmd. There is no bin bash for Windows. I know. But thing is, like, here's the thing. You tell me, give me a. I have a question for you then. Unexpected command cmd. So, like, if I do this way. Let's say if my thing is this. Try to use an echo hey. Okay. I want to just use the one on Discord. What? But like one on Discord here, boss. Like, what is the command he gave? I want to see. He gave dir. Wait. Oh, he gave a proper. Okay, let's copy raw file. Let's see this one. You'll get an interactive shell. He just used CMD. So if I just do CMD, I will get that. Here. I'll use your command too, boss. Once. Okay, so let's use your command, the one you gave. RC doesn't have to be authenticated, blah blah blah. Import this will do all the stuff for me. I just have to look for where I have to put my base URL system arguments. Okay, I have to give in the arguments. Okay. Let's see 2.py. And the argument I have to, just making sure. Give the catalog IP address. Okay. Catalog address, I mean. And what's the last written one? Just catalog, okay. Copy. Okay, let's see if this works. It saved it. Where it saved? Oh, it got saved here. Okay, let's see. Installing. Oh, what the fuck? Yo, thank you, boss. Oh, dirt. Wait, hold up. Now what he did. Thank you so much, Rabbit. Thank you and sorry again. I took time to listen to you. But what this guy did, I want to see his payload. Going to the same step 4, pass through, payload is just pass through command. And his command, payload, target URL, data, base through, read command URL, request.get. Print one, okay, configure not found, okay. Test availability, okay. Install. He just said, who am I? Error, if there is no error, jab tak, till it's true, command keeps giving me the command, keeps printing out the command. Okay. Okay. And he passed it through here. What is pass through? I think this is what. Similar to the execute function, it executes a command. Okay. I see. So now we have to get like the users in the system. Application. No. My directory. Okay, now I have to do cheat sheet. Yeah, let's go. Thank you so much, boss. So get users list in Windows. Windows-L on the keyboard now. CMD. Net user to get all users. Okay, yes. Dude, I need to get. Do you have like a good resource for me to learn these from? Okay, so we have what we got, user account for this. Administration, guest, and lab. So my current one is probably who am I? Will that work? I'm system. Okay. Just give me cmd command. We are already administrator, yeah. So I just need to get the privileges. I have to get the name of the. I have to get the hash of the lab one. Regex save. So I have to do regex query to get like this one. Right? I keep doing dir. What are the dirs I have? Flags are mostly on desktop. Yeah, and no, first one is actually the hash of the lab user, NTLM hash. Did I need to get used to of like doing this? No. Dir, if I do just dir, I'm here. I have to go back multiple ones. Okay. So dir Or wait. I'm such an idiot. No. Flags are mostly okay. Yeah, HTTP. I'm just thinking. What is the URL path of desktop for Windows? C drive user desktop. Okay. You know, the most annoying part of my whole thing is that I have to use backslash, not forward slash. So it keeps going in here, functions and all those stuff. Ghost, good morning. How you doing? India. I love India. We are doing some hacking today, and okay, so you know what? I have to think. There is this, okay. You're about to die. Oh. We have blueprint. All good, brother. Getting ready for office again. Dude, I understand, man. I understand. Yeah, like, I'm happy. I'm very glad I have a remote job because I just can't do it. Like, I'm just super done. I can't do it. I can't go commute every day. It's like such a headache. And I don't have a car. I can't afford a car. In Canada, especially the province I live in, insurance on the car is way more costly than the freaking car so many times. I can't afford a big Mercedes and stuff, right? But let's say if you get even a normal car, insurance is so high. Oh, you are on notice period? That's crazy. Holy. Hopefully things go well, man. Fingers crossed. All the best, and hopefully things go well for you. Praying. Sorry, I lost. We actually had users too, right? We had some users list. Net user, that was the one. So we had net user. So what about if I go to cat c users administrator root.txt. Is cat a command on Windows? Order C drive users okay. Oh, desktop. I don't want to type this again. Desktop root.txt. It's type on Windows. What? It's type on Windows. Oh, type. Oh, name of the command. Type. I thought cat also worked. I'm tripping. Probably I'm tripping. No. Okay. So first let's do dir more. C users administrator desktop root txt.txt. Oh ho ho ho. Great stuff they did. Good stuff. Good job. Try hack me. Good job. Dirty players, man. You know what? Because of these things, I think I might be switching to HTTP soon. Soon. Very soon. I might be going to hack the box. I don't like these type of plays, man. Like, why? Why? Right? Like, what is the point of these things? Okay, so great. We have root.txt. Now, NTLM. Now see me struggle. So, finding NTLM hash user. So we probably can if we are already system. Those command. What is the command for it? Or you can use Mimikatz. Yo, I have never used Mimikatz. Okay, thank you. What is Mimikatz? The beginner guide. Mimikatz is an open source application that allows users to view and save Kerberos tickets. Okay. This is not useful, so yeah, cats. Use a secret dump from Impacket. It will be easier. Wait, Impacket? Python classes for working with network protocols. Oh, Impacket is a thing. Here. Sudo install. But I have to install Impacket, right? Impacket is a collection of Python 3 classes, not classist, focused on providing access to network packets. Impacket allows you developers to craft, decode network packets. Okay. So this is the command. Impackets-h rpc dump. Okay. Sam dump. What is Sam? Okay, there must be secrets dump. Okay, that's the one you want me to. Perform various techniques to dump secrets from remote machines into executing any agent there. Okay. Holy, this was too fast. Oh, Python 3. Impacket. And then we have Impacket secrets dump. Okay. Sorry, I have to take this off because my brain is hurting. You can use samdump too. There are too many ways to get NTLM. Dude, like, I have to learn so much. I feel overwhelmed, not going to lie. Oh, you are in networking. Ghost, sorry, I just saw your message. You are in networking, shifting to cyber. Nice, bro. Nice. Hopefully you get it. So with the notice period, are you, like, you were the one who gave the notice period? In Canada, we don't have notice periods and stuff. We just, like, tell the people we are leaving. We can give, like, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months notice. So do you meant that notice period, or, like, your job is in trouble? Sorry, I almost thought a whole different thing. But actually, congratulations. If you're going into cyber, I'm very happy for you, mate. That's awesome. Yo, we have actually somebody asked this question earlier. Yeah, I resigned on 1st of July, so I have to serve 2 months. Oh wow, 2 months. Crazy. In our case, we just do 2 weeks. We are gone. I see. But a quick question, Ghost, if you don't mind me asking. Because somebody was asking about this. If they are just completed their 12th grade and JEE exams, and they're going to university, right? They are in that transition period, and they want to get a internship after their first year. What things they can do from a networking perspective? The person is learning networking, so what they can do to get a internship in networking? My answer was basically Network Plus and some PF Sense home labs and stuff like that, so the person can show, and some blogs about it. But what are your thoughts? And give me 1 second. I will be back. I have to just go to washroom quick, so give me 1 minute, please. I have you guys on phone, so you can ask anything. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Apologies. Okay. Yo, we have some message from Ghost. So let's have a read. Just study CCNA course material. It's a basic networking course for Cisco, and do some packet tracer things. Build labs in that, and just start applying with using that knowledge. Basically, you should know the network, how it works, and how to troubleshoot it. Okay, Ryan. Hopefully this helps you, mate. Like, so instead of Network Plus, go to CCNA, and yeah, just packet tracer, so you don't even have to buy anything. You can use your own, just like a software, to create your labs. Thank you so much, Ghost. Thank you so much. Thank you. Everybody, say thank you to Ghost for wisdom. And we have Rabbit here killing it with the you already had Sam and security files. Just oh, he's saying thank you too. Use Sam dump too. Sam security. Okay. Sam dump script downloads the list of users from target machine. Okay. Target IP address. CCN is very easy and packet tracer is very basic, and it teaches you a lot. So thank you. Yeah, thank you so much, Ghost. It means a lot. So that's amazing. And I think I can show people what he's mean by packet tracer. It's a good software. I saw Sam and security files on the browser. You were surfing. Oh, this somewhere here. I don't remember. Oh, maybe I was looking at like the Kali one, so that's where it is. Domain control IP address of the target machine, port 1 for SMB server. NTLM hashes. Don't ask for password. Okay, so I think this will do the job. Go to directory listing. Okay. Here. Maybe in the docs you saw something. PayPal PDF, Stripe, SagePay, WorldPay, Braintree, database, standard license and stuff. And we have then catalog. That's all. Maybe what you meant was install or installs in catalog. Oh yeah, it is. Okay. And then in install, so you have PHP registered globals off, on, MySQL, OpenSSH and stuff, and you have install.php. Install includes this is the one where we are right now, or where we were basically. Application.php, configure.php. So we have this here. Nice. Functions we have here. So wherever you like, mate, we can go. But I'm just thinking in the sense that, okay, we have this as well. So I want to use SAM, this one. Impacket SAM RH, but what is the other one? Secret dump. So I have the target. I don't have the username and password right now. There is SAM. Entity to parse. LDAP filter. Authentication hashes. No pass. Okay. So I want to use like, okay, so if I use secrets dump and then I put my target, I think that's the name. Target. Oh, might be running out of time almost. Let me increase the time. Okay, that's good. Just saw it. If I go SAM, just this one. Oh, I just have to type the target. IP locals. Like if I do this. One should work. We gotta try many ways. One should work. Okay, yeah. I'm down to try all of these, yeah. So I just have to understand before, like even performing various techniques, jump secrets from remote machine with this. Target username. Okay, target would be lab, like the username, and then target, this will be target IP. Hey, learning though. Target IP, then lab, I think that's the name. No pass. It's looking for SMB, so I think I have to provide the port maybe. Perform various techniques to dump secrets from the remote machine into the executing. Target is this: H debug system, boot key, SAM Hive, NTDS. I wish I understood all these options very well. Right now I have zero clue. No pass connection, okay. NTLM. So let's look at all these scripts then. Yeah, that's the only thing we can do. So regex.exe say, yeah, oh yeah, regular registered directory. On shell. Yeah. So we are querying basically at this point. I think we need lab, not SAM. Wait, regular expression, then you can see these on directory listing. Oh, yeah. File lab already exists, overwrite no. Do you have the SAM? The SAM? I know the username is lab, that's all I know. Not lab, SAM. Okay. What is SAM? It's something I should know, I guess. I just don't know. What is SAM? Security accounts manager. Okay, credential dumping into. Okay, save. Okay. That's what you were saying. So to get NTLM hashes, we have to get these files. Okay. So now if I go. File system already exists. What do you want to overwrite? Overwrite. So we get these from registries to copy it there. Then you can download these from browser directory. Yeah. So basically we're trying to get from the registry the files and then. But holy, there's so much. We could directly see them to your. One second, it's easier to read this way. SAM is like password. Oh, okay. We could directly see them in your local too, but it would be more difficult for. We can send it to them to our local too, but it will be more difficult. Yeah, we just need to see see what's the hash is, right? Yeah, we just need to see the hash. That's actually a good explanation. Like SAM is basically password hash. How can I remove all this? Okay. One thing I can do is dir come on. No, okay. Till that happens, let's see. Once these files are dumped and explorated, we can turn these hash into SAM to. Okay. So I can see this, get my dump, and then why this is not working anymore? Oh, the other operation is not completed yet. Oh, I see. So you know what I can do? Windows Okay, so now what I will do is break. First I need to do ls or dir break configure.php. Oh, what part are we on? Getting the root or getting into the machine? We actually have the root. We are trying to get the NTLM hash. You shouldn't have copied lab. I don't know what is that. Oh, I was actually lab is the username of the person. So yeah, we are just trying to get the hash of a particular user. I know it's fine. Like mishaps happens, I guess. But this one is not even lab anymore. This one is Sam, right? Okay, this one is good now. So if I go do this, overwrite file already exists. Overwrite. Okay. Okay, how to clear content of so you what's that? One sec. So you have already have lab file there. So you try to copy, save another file as lab. So you got this error. Yeah. So if you want files from the target machine, you can just do mimikatz or metasploit. Yeah. Let's do mimikatz. I guess that's the only way left for me, my brain to work. So if I go mimikatz, check Discord. On the shell, this security system separate com. Then you will see it on the directory listing. After you ran these 3 checks in catalog. Okay. So you use regular expression.exe command so to get the files. I have to like the thing is how will I want to clean the contents of the files, right? Whatever is being put out. How will I do that? Reset the machine once. Yeah, I guess that's the only way left. Wait. Lab is here, Sam is here. So if I do, and there's system. So if I do, what's the file? Cat Yeah, I guess I have to reset the file. Do you know? Okay, yeah, Rabbit pointed it out already. Yeah, but like, how is there no way I can like get rid of this code other than resetting? It has to be a reset. Is there no way, legit? Damn, I messed up big time. Remove the file. Okay. Let me be clear. One second. Let me clear. So some part of the system is exposed on the directory, and we copy the required files from regular extension to its exposed area so we can download them on our local machines to use them. But what about like if we like this area, we can clean this area where the exposed area. Have to reset. So if I type, I always keep typing the wrong thing. Type configured.php. Okay, so everything inside the stuff. Okay, wait, but then okay, there was the database access too with the, I think it was with install. Username, let's say because okay, correct me if I'm wrong, right? So all this data that was being outputted or we were producing, delete the file, just remember the file name and delete the file. But like there is code inside it. What I'm thinking is not inside this file, right? It's inside the database or somewhere is getting that code from, or the stuff, the output from, which is the database, I believe, and I have to delete from there. Am I wrong in thinking like that? It's getting data, HTTP server, HTTPS enable, cookie, blah 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 blah. Include functions, classes, modules, languages, username, passthrough. Or just delete the file name. What about if I do type because if I delete the file name, I won't be able to see anything too, right? So if I do type functions database.php, type functions slash database dot. Okay, I think I'll just reset. Do you really require to? I don't require. I'm just curious. I'll just reset this. Okay, because removing the file won't do it, right? Use those commands from Discord and it will work for you. Okay. When we comp the 3 required files from regular expression, we can download them. Or when we copy the 3 files required from the regular expression, or not regular expression, sorry, registered registry, right? We can download them from the browser. Then you need to use SQL to go inside the database and clear it. Yep, not a fan of SQL, so probably won't go do that. I thought like there would be like from the server I should, or like from the browser I should be able to access it. That was I was thinking. Um, but was wrong probably. I just have to change this then. IP address, go inside again, and do it. Dude, there's so much to learn, especially with Windows. I think I wasted my 25 years of my life. I just started learning to hack when I was like 2 years old, 3 years old. How is this still working? Yeah, man. That's, have you seen those memes? I don't know if you guys remember the 2008 9 the thing that happened in 2008 and 9 when the whole world economy crashed, right? Should have bought. There's this meme, it's such a funny one. This is the one. Here. This is the reality. See this. My biggest financial mistake was being in 8th grade in 2009 when I shouldn't have been buying the foreclosed real estate, because like nobody had money. A lot of people bought houses, could not buy it because great banks, the a-holes, right? I wish I was there too. That's what I was thinking too. Like what I was doing, I should have been like hacking and learning about hacking instead of being a 2-year-old or in school. That's what I should have been doing, man. You guys are doing great in that case. That's for sure. Okay, but I don't know if you guys agree with me or not on this. But we have to go back to those commands which our boy Rabbit has shared. Okay, first let me copy one because I've already messed up stuff. I wish I could have kept the bitcoins I had in college. Oh, you had bitcoins when you were in college? Holy. Yo, how many bitcoins you had, mate? How many bitcoins you had? Come on, reveal. Are you Satoshi Nakamoto? One worth a lot still. Crazy, right? Oh, should I change this? How much you bought it for, if you don't mind me asking? Change the IP and only till includes. Someone sold me for cheap because they thought it wasn't going good, but I sold it because I needed money. Oh, wow. Same thing, boss. What did I did wrong here this time? Change the name. Oh. Go through includes not configure. Okay. Only till includes. Sure. Oh, I see. The file will be dumped there. I see. So same thing we have to do for other two. Wait, we could have got it done last time too then. We don't have to reset it, right? Yeah. Instead of this, we need system. 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 Anybody want to do system? System? Why I'm like this? Okay, we got these hashes. Now we just have to do sam dump system sam. Okay, that's what we have to do, right? Am I getting better or am I getting worse day by day? Sam dump 2. Okay. System sam, and we just needed this, I believe. Wait, hold up. What is the first part then? If the next part is the hash map, what is the first part? Oh, Sid Meier Civilization, our platform edition is going free in some time in Epic. Oh, nice. You want to play some games after this? Wait, hold up. I don't want you to see the ad, so 1 second. What is the first part in this hash? Oh, decrypted. I can do it on here. You showed me it's worth like 4K Indian currency. Oh wow. Expensive game, man. So I think it was Netcat. You guys showed me. Netcat, and then we had. No, it wasn't Netcat. Was it Netcat? Oh, not Netcat, Hashcat. 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 No. Let me check what was. Bloodhound, no about this. Bloodhound SU, no. This is the reason I need good notes. Word list. Oh no. user share word list rocky see hashcat dash m 1000. Okay, so this one won't work. Let's say if I go this one, I'll try your one too. Okay, let's do both. ls / user share word list. Okay, good. It has to be in a file or what? Hashcat dash m 1000. God give me. Good notes are a myth. You can always try. Actually, I was looking at a video on how to create one, so I did found something. Might be trying it soon. Hopefully. I have to put it in a file then. Or echo I saw a video on how to use OBSDN like that, so that's what I'm going forward towards. I'm trying to actually, I will show you Ghost. Like, hopefully, I'm trying this experiment. Hopefully, I'm able to help you and myself mostly with this thing. Don't use that, use pipe. Why is that? It's not a good thing to do. It like got the job done. Word. And also, if you ever see like ads, you can join like the YouTube one. Just use CrackStation at this point. Nah, man, I like coding. I like to write commands. It feels like hacker. No hashes are there in this. Okay, yeah, I guess I have to use this now. Google Plus. That's the result? Holy. Bro, I'm just tired right now. Come on. Yeah, I know it's too lame of a password. I've never seen, like somebody says lol lame password. I am exhausted, man. Like, I'll tell you this. Alone, staying alone, like cleaning and like I do have some help, but like alone, cooking, cleaning is such a and like working 2 jobs and then streaming is like kind of a hard task. It's hard. But yeah, we got this. Honestly, I just want to like work really, like you will see me tired as hell all the time till I reach my 30s or 40s because I feel like I need to work my ass off in my at least till I reach 30 and not stop because a lot of people I know right, in who are in 30s, 35s, or 40s, they are asking all. Yeah, I live alone too. Cooking, cleaning is a mess, and job too. Yeah. Oh, you used to stream earlier. Oh, that's cool. But yeah, dude, like it's a hard thing. It's a very hard. Like living alone is a hard thing in itself. I'm lucky right now. I have some really good friend with me. But one thing I wanted to share, right, which is important in my opinion, is that biggest mistake I made in last 2 years was that I was lazy. I would have been like really good level at of a hacker right now, or even in, let's say, AI, but I was lazy, didn't learn much. And that's like a thing I have regret about and will have regret about for the rest of my life, maybe. Unless until I just work so much hard for next like I'm 26 right now. Will be 27 in next two in October. But I want to work till like 30, 35 crazy hard, see myself, and then by the time it will become a habit to just study hard, work hard, and just have it, right? Oh, you got an ad break. Ah, shoot. Yeah, dude, laziness is hard. I will pause. And let's drink some water after it. Pausing for like 1 minute. Actually, girls, um, my honest opinion, right? Wait for the right girl. No girls, only girl, and wait for the right girl. Right person will make you stronger, better, but it's hard to find the right one. So, like, don't just and they are no right girl. Nah, there are very few right girls right now in this world. I will say, in my opinion, with all the news I hear and stuff, but there are right girls for sure. But do not, like, don't go because you are going to you are in college, right? When I was in college, all my friends used to drink a lot, smoke like weed because it's legal here, right? Marijuana, if that's the word, right? People think about marijuana, and like they were all about into physical contact. Hardly anybody was into the proper connection thing. A lot of them who were like way smarter than me, way better than me, right? Actually crashed down, like way down recently. So my honest opinion to anyone, right? I know, like especially when you are alone, right? Ghost knows, like when you're alone, college, and a lot of people around you wants you to drink so that you are accepted in this community. Everybody in this world is temporary, mate. Just remember, everybody in this world is temporary. Do not even think about, oh, this person, if I'm not part of this group, if I don't drink, they won't accept me. If they care about you, they give a F about you, right? They will accept you the way you are. They will like to improve you. But the people who do not care about you will say, hey, do this bad thing, then only we will accept you. If you don't do this bad thing, they will not. Right? Like, for example, with me, like I'm streaming right now. Monday to Friday, I stream. Friday night, everybody goes for partying. What I do, Friday night, I go, my WhatsApp status is everything is temporary since ages. Is that nice? Nice. Yeah, and like everything is temporary. It indeed is. And on Fridays, right? You guys see me. I stream longer on Friday night. One day I was like doing till 3 a.m. for that. What's that? Bandit game, right? I was doing till 3 a.m. People who like me will understand. Krishna is permanent, indeed. Mine is always Radhe Radhe. That's why I treat it. And like, do like one thing I do love doing, especially if you are alone or whatever, and this is goes for the whole world, I will say. I love the Krishna, like na cartoon. Yeah, indeed. Like it's waste of money and time. Bro, I used to love these ones, and like if I ever have a cushion, you know what I do? I see, like, for example, um laziness. I just type these. They are so cute. Oh ho ho. True. But like every time I type these, I will get the answer I want from Bhagavad Gita about laziness, whatever distraction, whether it's about, a lot of people don't talk about it, whether it's about porn, um, alcoholism, drug abuse, laziness, right? Or just like your purpose in life, is there a heaven, is there a hell? All these questions, I just go YouTube and like I listen to this. Nothing helps me more. And like I was on the verge of I was very depressed in during some when came to Canada, and during that whole period, I won't mention when, but I was very depressed to a very extreme level. And this thing did help me big time. Bhagavad Gita and like Lord Krishna, the voice came and it was big. Andrew Tate's dude, that dude or Tate brothers, if I will tell you this, they are like nowhere different than anyone else. I realized, like I looked at from a different perspective, so I saw his opinions and stuff. He's like nobody, like he's not different than any other person who goes to like those India channels, news channels, and speak loud. Some people will like him, some people will not. Simple. But amount of things you see him and the amount of trash he says about women specifically, I don't like him about in that case. So like he says, oh, what color is your Bugatti? I think he can ask two more questions. What color is your cell? Right? I never went to a cell, prison cell. He can ask, what color is your bald head? Those two questions also he can ask, not just Bugatti. But just saying, like those type of people, don't even look at those people. That's my just honest opinion, because Hustle University, the type of things, the MLM, if somebody who cares about the world and want to make it better, you like just show up on like this. You can make money, like you will make money, and you don't have to worry about money. It will come. It's a byproduct. If he cares about people, the way he says, I care about the men of the world and alpha male and all those BS, dude, like an amount of things he say, he's an idiot in my opinion. I'll quickly, easily say he's like same level as those guests on Indian news channels who just shout loud and say whatever the fuck comes into their mind. So don't even think about them. Do not ever, like, don't even look at them. Those are just like temporary people. They're idiots. What to do is like Bhagavad Gita, right? Look at that. Good people, like actually people to look up would be, that's a good question. Who should we look up in this current world? Dude, I don't know who to look up though currently. Who is good person to look up? You guys have any idea? I just look up to Krishna. Like that's one thing. Or your parents. That's one thing to look up for sure. But on the other side, people did some motivation, especially males in depression, did get better cause of Tate somewhere or other. Yeah, no, 100%. I'm not denying that there was no positivity came from him. That's for sure. But like, there is like he about depression. He said one really right thing, that go to gym and stuff. That is a really good thing, because I did basketball a lot. That helped me, right? I went started playing basketball a lot. That helped me, but that was 100% a thing. Male depression, like think about Sushant Singh Rajput. That was the biggest case in my opinion. Like at least I know of male depression, right? R.I.P. to the star. What a great guy. What a great like hard-working guy. In my opinion, but the male depression will be a thing, right? Will be a thing. Depression is a thing. What depression is, and I will tell you, depression is one of the best ways somebody defined depression was, let's say you are in this world, right? You are every, like Shakespeare say, we are all like basically, how to say, players or actors on the world stage, right? On the stage of this world. Depression is when you are given a character and you don't want to play it no matter what. That's what depression is. Because you are like, yo, I don't want to play this character, and they want to end that character. What you have to do is accept that you are that character, how to make your character more valuable in your eyes. I feel like when you work on your skills daily and keep getting better, you will be never depressed. That's, yeah, like if you work, like if you are 100%, like I will say in this, plus never be attached to anyone is what Krishna said. Yeah, yeah. Like with depression, like the best way to avoid, like exercises, better eating, those two things can help you stay away from depression big time. And also never take those like medicines and stuff, those are all stupid. Never take those depression pills and all those stuff, or like go into alcoholism, because you cannot depend on something exterior. It is like an interior fight, right? Because your soul don't want to play the part of your body. It's an interior fight, you have to win in the inside. So that's, yeah, my opinion with depression. And even like, and I'm learning about these, because one thing Canada has done good, Canada has a lot of issues, man, a lot of stupid issues. Same with the US. They say, oh, it's a great country and stuff. Trust me, in India, so many things are way better. Like, you will never see somebody doing excretion number 2 in on metro in India. You won't see that, right? In New York, so many people do that. It's like rats like are there. Same with Paris and stuff. Human social engineering. That's why I liked social engineering a lot. Like understanding human brain can help you become just a better human in this world. Because like if somebody started laughing a lot, or if somebody like changing in behavior or their usual behavior, how they do, how they react, can help save so many lives. So social engineering and like understanding human brain is something should be taught in every single institute in this world from a lower level. Same like computer science, English, maths and stuff. So those type of things, in my opinion, are big. But yeah, I guess like, yeah. And also like an interesting thing, right? Like what I have been doing is just like being more patient can be a very valuable skill to help with anybody who wants to like any person around you. You want to, if you are want to help the world, being more patient and just not taking things seriously all the time, like is big thing. Like for me, things when they go down, like Krishna says, right? Like everything is temporary. I don't care. Whatever happens will happen. I can't control everything. I don't have to control everything. I don't care. Peace out. Oh, what was that from? Was that Khichdi? Praful. This is my honest way of dealing with things.
Hey, प्रफुल PhD मतलब आप में हो
PhD आंसर। अरे हमारे वो नुक्कड़ वाला भिखारी शराबी वो नहीं बोलता कि मैंने पी है पर चढ़ी नहीं, पी है चढ़ी नहीं, पी है चढ़ी नहीं, पी है चढ़ी नहीं, पी है चढ़ी नहीं,
पी है चढ़ी नहीं, पी है चढ़ी, अच्छा PhD
PhD।
प्रफुल PhD।
This is my legit honest opinion. Some people don't like the fact that I don't take everything seriously. I'm like, you know what? This is how I live life. Dude, we need to do those like... We need to like, you know, start going back to those good old times of like... Actually like... Praful, and like we need to just watch in our Discord like Sara Bhai versus Sara Bhai, Khichdi and all those episodes. I just want to watch one day. Just for fun. It's so fun. This is what I like streaming about streaming. Like after we're done hacking, let's talk about everything in this world. This one is also good.
चिकनगुनिया चिकन खाने से नहीं होता
तो
मच्छर से होता है।
अच्छा मतलब बहुत ज्यादा मच्छर खाते थे आप?
चिकनगुनिया चिकन खाने से नहीं होता।
Yeah, lads. I think that's for today. I will look. We'll try because I think we have. Okay, I did one Windows, right? I will try to do a Linux tomorrow. Linux is something I'm good at. So we'll do a Linux easy one tomorrow. Let this week be of more about rooms and stuff. How about that? What is this? All no red. We'll do more of Linux this week. So tomorrow we'll do some Linux, and let's see. Less theory, more practice. Yeah, I want to practice stuff. Like it's fun. We have been like studying for the penetration tester one for so long. So let's do that. Yeah. Drum roll, baby. 2 more days. Let's try to hit 2 more of those. If not, actually, tomorrow we'll do this one. And then, Rabbit, you asked for it, right? So you asked this one. Hack the box, and then there was the LLM one. So let's hit that one because it will be Friday, and then on Fridays I can do a lot more. Hack the box. Rate teaming AI, this one, AI team, whatever it is, right? Let's see how much we can do. Even though if it is hard, we'll see, right? How much we can do because it will be your Saturday, my Friday night. And then we can go for like 3, 4, 5 hours of stream if you guys are down. Would you guys like that? Like, give me a thumbs up if you like it. Like, share, subscribe, whatever. Like, just give me a thumbs up or just say yes. That will be helpful. If Friday night, right? Okay, sweet. You said it, we do it. So Friday night we'll do this, but tomorrow we'll do a Linux challenge, CTF challenge, and I will try to make better notes so we can do more better. Alrighty. So hope you guys liked it. We had some fun. We had some learning. I messed up a couple of times. But yeah, hopefully you guys liked it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And if I made a mistake, so sorry about it already. And yeah, like just make other people laugh, be a good person, and always believe in Krishna and ask any questions you like. Till then, thank you so much, everybody. Hope you guys have a great day, a great weekend, right? Good night. And don't forget to join the Discord so you can request whatever you want me to do. Rabbit, can you point it there? Like post the link there so other people know. I will also mention this. And yeah, Reddit also is another thing that's up. You can post whatever you want me to see, like we did the Fern video. So we can do more such stuff. So thank you so much. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. And like regular, right? Bye. Bye everyone. Have a good night. Stay safe and pay it forward. Peace out.